verify the answers that we found in example 2 with our equation y equals 1800 times 0.71 raised to the t power. So if I replace t with 0, I should get 1800. Okay, so the initial amount, what I bought it for, was 1800. Now, if I replace t with 1, 0.71 to the first power is still 0.71. And I multiply that by 1800. First year, my computer drops value by 1,278. That's what it's worth. Okay. Then the second year, it's only worth, we found this out a while ago, 907.30. And in the fourth year, it's worth, then we're going to have to round 2 decimal places, 457.41. So $457. Not very much the fourth year. Let's try the sixth year. Again, you're going to have to round 2 decimal places, 230.58. So that's what my information, my computer would be worth after the 6 years. So I want to do next is go and graph these so you can see what an exponential model looks like. Okay, so if you remember, I'm talking about value of the computer. And this is measured in time, years since purchase. Again, you're starting at 0, so that's your 0. And we want to talk about the value of the computer. I don't want to do a line break and an exponential decay because it's going to change how it will look in the end. You can, it's according to how many years you're looking out into it, but I don't want to. All right, so I'm going to start at 1800, 1800, and I need to determine my scale. So I decided to go by 200. So this is going to be, each block is going to represent 200, 200, 400, 600, 8, 1,000, 1,200, 1,400, 1,600, 1,800. And that's where we'll be starting. I'm going to change color as a pen so it's just a little easier to see. And at 1,800, that's where I start off. And year 1, just here, I'm going to be at 1,278, so less than halfway. And then at year 2, at year 2, I'm at 907, about halfway in between. At year 4, which skips out a little bit, we're at 457, so halfway between, a little bit closer to the 600. And then at year 6, we're at 230. So 200's right here, 30's right here. And I could go out more, but you're going to see that they're really, really close to 0, but never quite get there. I mean, it's going to have some value. I don't go past the y-axis because it's a real-life situation. And I'm just doing the data. And if I was drawing this for real, for longer than just 6 years, I want to see that curve. Okay, so I might go ahead and do it for year 8, just so that I have that information. And year 8 can be worth $116.24. So again, you have to round it. So year 8 is 100. So somewhere in there. So you're starting to see a curve now. If you wanted to see one more, then that's fine. You could do year 10. And it's going to be $58.59. And here you go. It's kind of what I wanted to see. It gets closer and closer to zero, but never get there. That's kind of the graph that I want to see. I definitely want to see where you start off, and I want to see that curve, and where it kind of tapers off. Starts high, goes down quickly, and then tapers off.